Good day, I am Julius G. Pedrano
And I am Sina Nicole M. Terminal.
and we will be interviewing each other about inheritance of a trait. We will gather information about each other's inheritance of trait. So, question number 1. Um, in analysis of a specific trait in your family, could you tell me which heritable trait you'd like to focus on? Examples are like the height, attitude, or eye color.
The dimples. What about yours?
Mine is the tall height. Okay. In this interview, we will cover 3 generations. We'll look at each other's grandparents, parents, and our generation. Okay, first question for grandparents. Starting with your grandparents, can you tell me if your maternal grandparents have the trait, like sa imong mother na side, naa sila na nga trait?
Sa mother side,
Grandparents.
sa grandparents sa mother side is ako ang lolo and ako ang lola, which is, and sa the next, the father side is ako arang lolo.
So, sa imong sa imong mother na side, both grandparents na dimples. And sa imong father na side na grandparents kay father ang na dimples. Okay.
What's yours?
Mine is that sa mother na side kay akong grandfather is tall, my grandmother is not. While sa father na side kay same siya sa grandfather na ko tall and my grandmother is not. So, pwede siya. Next is do you know if your grandparents have passed this trait to your parents? Na-pass ba ang kanina trait sa imong parents?
Yes, ako ang sa side sa ako ang mama is ang ako ang mama na ay dimples, and then sa side sa ako ang papa is akong papa walay dimples. And what about yours?
So, sa ako about specific trait, tall height, sa grandmother, mother na side kay akong grandfather ang may tall, wala niya nakuha ang tall, so short si mother niya. Sa father na side, ako grandfather is tall, so siya tall siya. Yeah. Okay, for second generation, na to siya, second generation. That is for second generation. Next, sa atong third generation, which is kita. Okay, do you have that trait? Can you describe how you got it?
Since ang ako ang mama raman ang naay dimples and ako ang papa ay wala, so dito na ako nakuha sa ang ako ang mama, which is gikan na sad sa ang ako ang mga grandparents. That's why ako ug ako ang sister na ay dimples. That is ha.
So, imong sibling pod, imong sister, naa siya dimple both. Since I am an only child, nakuha na ko ang tall height from my father. Si mother is not mine. Concluding questions, based on what you know, do you think the trait will continue in the next generation?
Siguro.
Why or why not?
Siguro, or
Maybe.
either kung if the partner is nasa dimples or not, nara, depende lang.
Yeah, same with me. If tall ang height, so possibly mapasa siya sa next generation. And that's all about gathering each other's information, inheritance of traits. Hers is dimples and mine is tall height. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Here we have the pedigree analysis of Julie with their tall height. For the summary of this is ang papa ni Julie is mao ang taas tall height, while ang papa sad sa mama ni Julie is mao kay tall height sad. And then sa adto na to siya sa second generation is iyahang papa ra is the tall height because iyahang mama is dili taas. And then there become is si Julie, which is the only child ra nga siya nakakuha nga taas siya, which is tall height siya. The father is heterozygous and ang mother kay ang father is the heterozygous dominant, ang mother kay homozygous recessive, and then si Julie kay heterozygous dominant tungod sa iyahang papa and iyahang mama.